tutorial on how to create a new email for a team member. First, we have to log into the Raindrop Marketing Web Faction account. Click on Emails. Click on Email Addresses. And then we're going to come down here to Raindrop Marketing. Actually, we don't come down to Raindrop Marketing. We click on Add New Email. This one's going to be lauren.k@raindropmarketing.com. And I am going to save to a local mailbox, which I'm going to call, we'll call it Lauren K. So I'm creating a new one called Lauren K. This is important because we want to remember this. We have Lauren K, and then we have a password. So for the password, I'm just going to say I love marketing 5. I love marketing 5. I'm going to click save. Okay, so I'm going to click save. We've now created that email. So you get this message, it just says that it's been creative. We're actually going to come down here. We're going to click into here, and we actually have to forward it to a Gmail address. So I haven't made the address yet, but I'm just going to make Lauren K raindrop@gmail.com. Something tells me that will be available. If it's not, I can always come back in here and change it. So we've taken care of step 1, which is we've created an email account. So now I'm going to go into Gmail. I'm going to go to Add Account. We'll wait for it to load forever. Come on, Gmail. My goodness. Secure connection failed. There we go. We're going to add an account. We're going to click Create an Account. First name Lauren, last name no, Lauren K Raindrop. And we'll use I love marketing 5 again. Hey Josh. Alright, so I'm going to ask Josh for his phone number. Can you take your phone number in here for me? I need it to verify this account. Google lets you make like 10, and then it won't let you do them anymore. So now I'm using yours. Alright, so oops. So I'm going to need your code when you come back. Okay, I just make that up. And then I type in this, 829. I don't need to show you how to create an account per se, but this is how you create a Google account. Oh, I can't leave this empty. Email. And they're really stickler on us on that stuff. Alright, so now we have this new account. It didn't make me verify anything actually, which is nice. So to set up the account, we're going to continue to Gmail, and we are going to go ahead and as it spins and spins and spins, it loads. Sorry, this isn't exactly the most exciting video. Alright. Why are you so slow today, Gmail? Why? My goodness. Alright. So now you have to come in here and click on Settings. My goodness. Super slow. Alright. Then you're going to click on Accounts and Import. And you're going to add another email address that we own. And we're going to do lauren.k@raindropmarketing.com. it's all spelled right. Click next step. So the username is the username from, so it's a couple things. This needs to be webfaction, smtwebfaction.com. Now this is the username that we entered into the webfaction account. It was just Lauren K, and then the password was I love marketing 5. I'm going to click add account. Okay, so now it's asking me to verify the account. What it has done is I have to click back over here, and it has emailed me this confirmation. Take the confirmation code and copy it, and then come back here and paste it in. Okay, so now we are verified. I will come back into the settings area. Oops, sorry, first settings over here. And then come into constant import, and then you're going to want to make this the default account. So that's an important step. Come back in and make it the default account. And then you're going to come back. The last thing I always do is I come into general, and I come down to the signature, and I usually just like to make people's signatures for them. So to do that, I come into my own account. Oops. I don't have settings. There we go. Settings. I copy my own. So that's all the same. I copy it. Then I just come in to hers. I paste it in. I need to make sure I said it's this one. Oops. I paste it in. And I have to swap out all this information. Whoa, it didn't like that. We'll do this. Okay, now this is hard. You have to do change. Then you have to put the person's telephone number. And you have to hit change there, or else you'll change the link, but you won't change where it goes to. I'm just going to put a phone number real quick. 290. Oh, sorry, 209 765 9892, and then I just copy this and do that, and I hit OK. So that's changed, and then this is important to change as well, obviously. We do Lauren.k, and again, make sure to update this, okay. So now we are completely up to date, we're all good to go, and we want to come to the bottom and hit save changes, and she is good to go. Has her account all set up.